Hi you guys, it is Tiffany from Tiffany's Party Shop, back at you guys again with another video. And I got my helper with me, Miss Amaya, and today we're going to make spooky popcorn. So here's my helper, Amaya. Can you tell everybody hi, Amaya?
Hi.
We're making, what are we making? Spooky popcorn. Okay. So you guys, let's jump right into this video and watch me and Amaya make this spooky popcorn. So you guys, I'm going to make the marshmallow mixture for this popcorn, and I'm going to be using a stick of butter. I got my spoon here, and I'm going to be using this marshmallow cream. And so I'm going to take my stick of butter, stuff it in my skillet, turn it down some. Move it around. I'm going to let it melt in the skillet. And I had my eye up high, you guys, first, but I turned it down on low. I'm going to let this butter melt down for the mixture. And this is easy. So it's almost melted down all the way. Okay, so I got my butter melted down. So, give me the marshmallow cream. Now I'm going to take my marshmallow cream and I'm going to add it in, you guys. Okay, you guys, so I have added in my marshmallow cream, and I'm just going to let it cook down really slow. And I got my eye on low, so I'm going to let it melt on down. In the butter. And I'll be back to show you guys. Okay, you guys, so I have let my mixture cook down on low, and this is how it should look. So now I'm going to pour it over my popcorn. Okay, you guys, so Amaya is going to take our popcorn. Oh, you guys, you're going to need a cookie sheet and some wax paper. Line your cookie sheet with. But Amaya is going to, Amaya is going to take the popcorn and she's going to pour it into the marshmallow mixture. So go ahead and pour it, Amaya. Pour the popcorn in. Okay, pour some more. Okay, pour some more in there. Keep pouring, keep pouring, keep pouring. Pour some more. Okay. Okay. So Amaya has poured in the mixture, and I'm going to take it and I'm going to mix it around like this, you guys. Okay, you guys. So I'm going to mix the popcorn around in this marshmallow mixture. But I popped 2 bags, so I'm going to take a little bit more out the second bag and put it in here. Okay. So I'm going to take it and I'm going to mix it around. And of course, Amaya's eating popcorn while I'm working. Amaya, can you explain yourself? Yeah. Okay, you guys. I'm just playing with her. Okay, so I'm mixing it around. And after I mix it around, I am going to pour it on the baking sheet. Okay, you guys, so I have mixed up the popcorn and the marshmallow mix really good. And Amaya's going to take it and she's going to put it on the baking sheet. Are you ready, Amaya? Okay, grab a spoon. Put it on the sheet. Okay, grab some more. Put some more down there. Okay, grab some more. Big scoop. Put it down there. Okay, grab some more. Big spoon. Put a lot on there. Put it on there. Yeah. Let me see. Let me help you out. Okay. I'm going to help her out, you guys. Okay. We're going to drop it on the baking sheet. Straighten this out. Okay. And like I said, you might hear a lot of background noise because I am cooking and talking to my grandmother and making this video for you guys. So bear with me because I'm at Amaya's house. If you watch my other videos, you will remember what I said about me vlogging at Amaya's house. Okay, so I almost got all my popcorn on the baking sheet. Okay, and it's almost like making popcorn balls with this marshmallow cream. We could have made popcorn balls, but we chose just to do the popcorn. Okay, so I got it all out, you guys. So I'm going to spread it around the baking sheet like this with my spoon. Okay, here it is, the popcorn on the baking sheet. Next, Amaya is going to take our candy. We have, let me show you guys, some gummy worms, and we have some autumn, what is this called? Autumn mix that I got from Dollar General in my city, you guys, and it was $2. Hold on, Amaya. And we have some Halloween sprinkles. So we'll be back to show you. Okay, you guys, so I got my spooky eyes made by Wilton. And I got some more little eyes made by Wilton. Okay, and first, let's use our eyes, Amaya. Okay, guys, so first what I'm going to do, I'm going to take these sprinkles, and I'm going to use these, and I'm going to sprinkle them all over this popcorn. Just like this. And I got these sprinkles from, again, Michael's. Okay. Amaya's telling everybody in the house to be quiet because we're doing a video. Okay, Amaya. Let's take some eyes and put on our popcorn. So Amaya's going to take some of our spooky eyes. Okay. She put one eye. Ooh, it looks like a monster. Okay. Put some more eyes. Let's do green eyes. Okay. Me and Maya are putting eyes all over. I'm going to do some little eyes. Okay. Okay, Amaya. You put your eyes on. She doesn't want my brother in our video, so she's telling them to move. Okay. Put some more eyes on. Okay. See, I put some eyes right there. Maya's putting her eyes down. Let's do yellow and green eyes. Okay. How about some worms, Amaya? Put some worms on there. We got some gummy worms. And we got some pumpkin mix. Okay, yeah, put a worm on there. Oh my gosh. Put another one on there. So we're putting gummy worms. Put some more worms in there, Maya. Now I'm going to put some of these pumpkins. All over. Now I'm going to sprinkle some candy corns on here. Okay, you guys, Amaya's adding some more worms. And she's eating candy. Okay. Put one over here, Maya. Okay. And I'm going to sprinkle some more candy corn. Guys. Okay. Some pumpkins. And that is my grandmother in the background talking, you guys, if you hear somebody. So, as you can see, this is our spooky popcorn. Right, Amaya? Yeah, bro. Okay, you guys, so this is the result. Here is our spooky popcorn. A easy to make Halloween party treat. So, like I say in all my videos, I will party with you guys next time. Bye.